Hi, my name is Cristina Besa. I'm from Romania. I heard about this master from a colleague of mine who came last year here, and suddenly he was becoming a very famous endodontist in my city, and I said, okay, why is this guy more famous than me? Why is he better? So I made a call and I asked, did you go to any courses? Did you do anything special? Because everybody knows you're the best and I want to be the best too, or even better than you. Of course, I was joking. And he said, look, his name is Bogdan Moldovianu. I took this class in Turin, Italy, for 1 year. And it's a part-time master where you can go to school but also continue working in your office without interrupting your job. So I came here once or twice a month for a year. Actually, I came here 15 times. It was quite a big effort because when I was coming on Sunday, I was taking taxi, airplane, train, bus, and metro to get here, so 5 hours of all the means of transport there is. But then all the effort had a reason, because this master really changed my life as a practitioner. I learned so many things that maybe first I was doing them just because I read you have to do this or that, but I never really understood the concepts, the history of everything, and why do you have to do this here and this here. So here, because there's also a lot of practice, you get to work on many patients. It was a great experience because I did everything there is to do in endodontics, starting from a simple molar to retreatments, to removing broken instruments, to removing files that were there, or even making an MTA apical plug. So my experience became more rich because I came here and I did everything, while the prof or Damiano were so close to me and telling me how to do it and why doing it like that. Then back at home, because there was a break of 2-3 weeks between all the visits, I could go and practice what I learned and then come back with questions, and then redo everything that I didn't understand. Also, one time I stayed here for a whole week, so if you want, it's not just part-time, you can come in as many days as you need. For the theory lesson, the first 6 months were really useful. People back home were asking me, what do you learn there so much endodontics? What's so much to know for 1 year to do just endodontics? There's so many things to know, and I'm so grateful. And then I started to read more articles and understand them. And so I'm telling everyone who wants to come here, first they need to have some experience working only endodontics, and maybe with loops or under microscope, because when you come here you have to have a certain level from which you can improve. You cannot come here from zero, because all the people that come here have to have an equal level. But of course everyone is welcome and they are very helpful, and they will teach a lot of things.